Hello everybody, my name is Erit and welcome to my studio. For today's video, I don't know if I've shown you this sketch before, but it is the Muscles Trio and I quickly drew this up in Krita and I didn't really do anything with it. I kind of just left it alone. So I want to change that today and make it into an art piece and also a sticker because I am obsessed with stickers. Yes, guilty as charged. But yeah, that's the plan for today, and I hope you're excited because I am super excited to see how this is going to turn out. So let's not waste any more time and get to work. So here we are in Krita, and before doing anything, I decided to pull up some of the references that I wanted to use for this new piece. I'm starting by going over the sketch with better line work because, like I said, this sketch was just a very rough and fast thing that I did, and I decided to just kind of make something smaller, fix up certain things, especially Sophie, because if you watched my last video, I decided to change her style a little bit and make her much cuter. Yeah, so I had to really change up her design a little bit. Other than that, I also decided to take out the surfboard because I kind of liked it without the surfboard. I like how they're just, just this trio of muscle cats together, and I don't think the surfboard was necessary. So yeah, I deleted that and I'm very happy that I did. So in the beginning, I did use a different brush tool and I changed it back because it wasn't really the vibe that I was going for. However, I really did like the brush tool that I used, and I believe it was like a soft pen or something like that. But yeah, unfortunately, it just didn't really go with the vibe of the sticker, so I had to change it back to what I'm used to. I am thinking that next time I definitely want to use that pen and just see how my stickers will turn out, because I do feel like I want my stickers to look a little softer, and I think it's the brush tool that will definitely help me with that and achieve that softness. So I guess we'll see next time, but for now I'm just using the brush that I'm used to, which is just the plain old, I believe it was a pen. I don't know, it's the most basic one. So for once, I actually really enjoyed doing Sophie's design, and I always complain about how Sophie's design is the hardest for me to make, but ever since I changed her design, I feel like it's just been kind of coming to me what she has to look like. And in this picture, or in this art piece, she looks like, I don't know how to explain it, like a little mocha ball, just like a cappuccino or something. She just looks so delicious. It's so weird to say about my cat, but I don't know how to explain it. She just looks really cute and I love it. She looks like a little cookie. But I added some eyebrows for her and some freckles because I felt like that would make her look really cute too, so I'm so happy that I did that. And this was the most difficult part for me, was adding Yumi's legs around Sophie's head. But that was my fault because, every time I think about layers, it's in the back of my head, but I don't really work with layers. I'm just so used to just creating and not worrying about layers, but I have to get better at it. I know I said that last time and all the time, but it's okay. One day I will learn my lesson. I did want to add a little bit more to Yumi, so what I decided to do was add a little bit more color to her arms by adding an orange arm and a black arm, and I feel like it makes her look more of a calico than before, so I might keep that design change for future stickers as well. But yeah, besides that, the entire sticker is basically done. Drawing the design in Krita did take a while for me, so now it is the next day. I uploaded the design into the Cricut program and I wanted to make this sticker a little bigger, so I made it 3 inches. And usually all my stickers are about 2 inches, but we are being daring today. I am only making a laminated batch for today, so for that I will use my Scotch laminator, and I really love using this machine because it just makes my stickers look so good and so professional. I absolutely love this. And after all that, we are finally done. I am so happy with how they came out. This little trio of dorks put me in a good mood and I love it. They are definitely giving me JoJo's Bizarre Adventure vibes and I am here for it. This one is definitely going on my little trash can. But besides that, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you in the next one and stay fabulous. Bye!